Yo, got the new Homeika cordless vacuum. Oh, don't worry, it actually gets bigger than this. That's what she said. Or just one hand. Boom, look at that. Now it's a normal size vacuum. You ain't gotta worry about bending over, hurting your back. Ooh. Boy, did that have anything like that? Oh, wow. It was super easy too. Look at this. Take a hold of rocks, take all the salt. There's a bunch of salt in my office. Oh, it's not too loud either. You can hear me talking, can't you? Ooh. Looks real good. Yeah. Look at this, and you have a handheld one with a brush on it, so I can do my chairs. Nice and clean, my customers. This attachment for those hard to reach places. And I give you this mount, you can mount it right on the wall, stay organized, stay ready when you need it. Get you that new vacuum while it's on sale, super lightweight, easy to use, and it does a great job. Look all that it picked up. Click the link down below, guys. Bottom left shopping cart.